All 5 of Mason PUD 3 crews, as well as a mutual aid crew from Grays Harbor, performed a historic maintenance project near the Feller wetlands to replace 9 transmission poles which carry high voltage lines and feed 2 of the PUD substations on the Tahuya Peninsula. This is extremely dangerous work. For the safety of our crews, the high voltage lines had to be de-energized. Originally, about 2,300 customers were expected to be out of power for the duration of the pole replacements. However, the PUD engineers and operations teams were able to find a way to cut that number to less than half, leaving only about 1,000 customers out of power. This is a project that PUD engineers and operation teams have been preparing for months. The work had to be coordinated with the Washington State Department of Fish and Wildlife, as well as with the Hood Canal Salmon Enhancement Group. The PUD wanted to make sure that it was reducing the environmental impact to the wetlands while they were doing this work. Was specifically chosen because one of the poles was in the water and had to be replaced during low tide. The crews installed a ductile iron pole at that location to make sure that it lasts for a very long time. The pole replacement project became a high priority when last year, during a routine pole inspection process, these 9 poles were identified as end of life. The PUD is proud of being recognized by the American Public Power Association as one of the most reliable public power providers in the nation. And it's proactive projects like this that help ensure our customers enjoy safe, reliable, and affordable service every day.